Hi, how are you and thanks for joining. Today we're going to review the different modular stations for JBC tools. Behind me we have the DDU and the DMU. The DDU makes reference for the dual port. You will gather of 150 watts per channel and you will be able to attach any type of tool. On the DMU instead you will have 160 watts per channel, 10 more, and you can attach 4 tools. Maybe you're seeing this little pump here. This is the MSC and it will attach to the DR560. Here, when you touch in this button, you can go to graphics. In graphics, you can see in real time the amount of power and temperature being delivered. For example, once I lift up the handle, you can see the blue bar increasing, that's the power, and the red one is the temperature. Imagine that when you're working with a heavy ground plane, for example, or with Sac-05, something is demanding a lot of heat. You can see the blue bar increasing, but the red one is not compromised. What makes sense here is that, for example, when you're working with this type of heavy ground planes, what you achieve here is avoiding cold solder joints. As I mentioned before, this is a dual port, so therefore you can attach 2 tools. With the DMU, we have right now 4 tools. We have the DR560, the T245, the T210, and the AM120. The DR560 is the tool used for desoldering. It's connected, as I mentioned before, to the MSC pump. Here we have the tip exchanger, where you will twist it up and take it out. And also we have some replacement, like for example, tubes and some filters, additional filters. The T245 is the general iron. In the general iron you can attach more than 500 tips of all different shapes and sizes. To take out the tip, here you will remove the tip and then put it back. Release. On the T210 is the precision handle. In the precision handle, this is focused and designed to work with really fine pitch components. And also, we have the precision tweezer. It's the AM120. With this one, you can rotate the tips as well. And if you want to work with something a little bit bigger than that, we have the brand new AT420. This one is great to work with, for example, bigger packages, like bigger ICs. And also, you can rotate the tips. If you want to try any demo, please contact JBC and I hope to see you in the next video.